In this video, let me show you how to fix a TikTok shop not working. First, make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, just head over to TikTok and update it. After updating, open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Go to your TikTok profile by tapping the bottom left icon. After that, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy, then scroll down until you see Free Up Space. Make sure to clear both the cache and downloads. After that, go back and try to open TikTok Shop again. If it still doesn't work, you'll need to report the issue. Tap on the three lines again, go to Settings and Privacy, and scroll all the way down to report a problem. Tap on Account and Profile, then tap Profile Page, and select Other. Scroll down and tap Need More Help. From there, you can contact TikTok support and explain the issue in detail. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.